Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking up something special, a super easy white veg kurma in a pressure cooker. Check out the ingredients below and let's dive into the cooking process. So first up, let's grind few ingredients. In a mixie jar, toss an half cup of coconut, 10 cashews, 5 to 6 green chillies according to your spice preference, 1 tablespoon of Bengal gram dal, half inch cinnamon, 3 pots cardamom and 1 star anise, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds. Blend this mix into a smooth paste by adding 1/4 cup of water. Set it aside for later. Now in a pressure cooker, let's add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, let's toss in 1 bay leaf, half inch cinnamon, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom parts, 1 star anise and 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. Give it a quick salt and let's add a large onion cut, 3 to 4 green chillies slit. Toss it well until it becomes soft. Add 4 teaspoons of crushed ginger and garlic paste. Saute them until the raw smell disappears. As a next step, let's add our colorful veggies. Put in 1 potato, 2 carrots, 6 beans, 4 tablespoons of peas and 1 capsicum. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt and saute it for 2 minutes. 1/4 cup of water and mix well. With the white masala paste we made earlier. Saute for additional 2 minutes. Pour in 1 cup of water and adjust the consistency as needed. Now for extra richness, let's introduce half cup of milk. Check for the salt and make any necessary adjustments. Let's close the pressure cooker lid and let it cook for 3 whistles. Once the pressure is released, brace yourself for the delightful aroma. Wow, it smells amazing. Toss in some freshly coriander chopped leaves. Give it a good mix and there we have it. The white kurma is ready to be enjoyed with chapati, idiyappam or parota. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you try making this recipe at home and share your experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more updates and share with your friends and family. Until next time, happy cooking!